At the top here, we have some notation. We use this symbol PNR to mean the number of R permutations where symbols are taken from an alphabet with n symbols. And a theorem here that tells us a way to compute this. PNR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So now let's look at this problem that we looked at in the previous video. We found in the previous video that the answer to this problem was 5 times 4 times 3, otherwise known as 60. Now another way to write this answer is to simply write P 53. That's the answer. Because what is P 53? P 53 is the number of 3 permutations where symbols are taken from an alphabet with 5 symbols. And notice that this alphabet does in fact have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one way to write this answer is just to simply write that. All right, now we know how to compute this already because we already found the answer. So we know that this is also equal to 5 times 4 times 3, which we know is 60. But look at the theorem, right? The theorem tells us another way to figure out what this is. So using that theorem, we know this is 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, and let's compute this. Okay, this is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's see, 5 minus 3 is 2, so this is 2 factorial. 2 factorial we know is 2 times 1. Now look at what cancels. The 2's cancel, the 1 cancels, we're left with 5 times 4 times 3. What we already knew to be true, and that's equal to 60.